Bureau of Corrections Director General Gregorio Catapang Jr. says drug smuggling has reached another and quote-unquote alarming level in the New Bilibid prison. During a hearing headed by the Senate Committee on Justice and Human Rights, Catapang says methamphetamine or shabu is now being smuggled into the facility using condoms.
Ang ginagawa po ngayon, kaya po humingi rin kami ng tulong sa inyo, yung condom, pagpaumanhin na po, nilalagay po doon lang shabu. Tapos ilalagay po sa puwerta ng mga babae, hindi naman po namin pwedeng kapkapan yung mga babae, makakasuhan naman po kami.
Catapang says addicted inmates will go to extreme lengths such as growing pigeons in order to transport shabu into the facility.
Ang pinaka-latest po, Mr. Chair, yung mga kalapati, yung mga bata o mga bisita nila may dalang itlog, i-incubate doon, so after so many years, so many months, mapipisa. Tapos palalakihin, tuturuan yung mga kalapati maglipad-lipad doon sa paikot. Pagdating naman ng mga bisita nila, ibibigay yung kalapati. Tapos matututo na yung kalapati bumalik doon sa kanilang mga pugad.
Catapang unveils all these to point out that drug smuggling remains in NBP. He then stresses that they need high-end equipment to combat these illegal activities.